Why did the French Revolution happen? The great French historian Georges Lefebvre set out to answer this question in his book, The Coming of the French Revolution, first published in 1939. As the name suggests, it sought to determine how the French Revolution came about by a close examination of the political, social, and economic developments that occurred in 1789. The origins and outcomes of the revolution are vitally important to scholars because it was the source for many of our modern concepts regarding liberty, equality, and democracy. Lefebvre's book emphasized the class struggles within France and the significant roles they played in the coming of the revolution. These social tensions between aristocrats, urban workers, peasants, and the bourgeoisie drove the monarchy to introduce political reform in an effort to try and keep a lid on the discontent that continued to grow. The central argument of Lefebvre's book is that the revolution that broke out in 1789 and ran through several phases after that was the product of a unique and highly volatile combination of grievances and circumstances, which meant that almost every significant social group was pushed to the point of rebellion. It was this combination, Lefebvre says, that shaped the way the revolution ran. A dangerous combination of elements that came together rather like a chemical reaction. Let's look at what it takes for an actual explosion to occur. Conditions must be exactly right. You need just the right combination of different sorts of molecules, along with the right temperature and humidity, and then, of course, a flame. In the same way, Lefebvre argued, the French Revolution was the product of the individual grievances of France's social classes turned into revolution when their causes merged into an irresistible demand for change, with royal policy providing the necessary flame. Lefebvre's works outline a classic interpretation of the French Revolution that gained sway in the 1960s when revisionist historians challenged and revised his findings.